FitLab PGH is a podcast about movement. Along with our sister podcast, we believe movement should be a lifestyle and not just an activity. 40 to 45 degree day, the sun's out as you can probably see. Great day for a bike ride, other than the fact that most bike shoes have lots and lots of ventilation, so your feet will get cold. When the temperature drops below 45, I switch to flat pedals. So I don't buy just any flat pedals, I find some sort of flat pedals for downhill mountain biking or BMX. These are Kona Wah Wah IIs. They come in a metal form and they come in a plastic. These are plastic because if I'm going to ride in cold weather, I don't want the metal to transmit the cold. The other thing I do is I switch to a pair of either 510 insulated shoes or a pair of Altra Lone Peak Neo shells that come up high. We'll have links in the notes for this. And what this enables me to do is keep my feet warm and get out on a great fall day and enjoy the fresh air. Another movement tip and lifestyle hack from FitLab PGH.